Hello Hacktubers and welcome back to my channel. And what kind of module we have here? And of course it's from Aliexpress and the price is around $3 and you can choose only this part together. And what is it? It says that it's working from 3.7 volts to 24 volts and it's 433 MHz push button saving mini relay contact radio frequency wireless switch LED lamp controller that you can use for micro receiver transmitter DIY projects. Yes, it's you can choose the single module just like this one or both of them, the transmitter and the receiver, and that will cost around $5 and it have a tiny relay. Take a look, here it is. This white thing is the tiny relay. I found it interesting and that's why I ordered it and I got it. Let's see what we have here. Oh, bubbles. Okay. Nothing. User manual. This is the remote control. Maybe I need to add a battery with this keychain. Oh! They built in a battery, which is super nice. Okay. And these bubbles are empty. Why? And here it is, the guy. It's so tiny. The wires are bigger than the module. Let's see what it says in description. It says that it's working from 3.7 to 24 volts, 433 MHz, ultra low power design energy, learning type remote control. Support settings of 2 learning points, easy pairing and clearing, easy operation. Support long distance transmission from 20 to 300 meters and stable and reliable performance. Okay. What it says, the wide voltage range 3, 5, 6, 7, 9, 12 volts. Okay. What says about the current now? Oh, here it is. It says that do not work 24 volts for a long time and it's strictly prohibited to use beyond 24 volts. Okay. Static working current 0.1 to 0.6 milliamperes and the maximum load of the relay is 1 ampere and at 0.7 amperes is perfect. Alright, transmission power 20 milliwatts. Okay. Oh, I need to remove this sticker. I hate stickers because they leave adhesive. But this one is good. No. Still, here it is. But how you can change the battery on this thing? I can't see some. Okay, let's try it this way. Whoa, here it is. Okay. Oh, we have Queen battery CR2032, which is nice. Alright, this is good. I'm gonna put it back. And that rubber thing, it's like a protection from water. The receiver module is so tiny. Beside this wire antenna, the crystal, and this white thing is the relay, what it says, Japan. Okay, and from behind we have the tiny voltage regulator, that's why it's working from 3.7 volts to 24 volts. To mention that we have one LED at front for indicating that it's turned on or off, and we have 4 wires. The red and the black one are for powering the module, and the blue and the yellow, that is the switch relay. Okay, what does it says on that chip? Let's see it. A4DRRKE FMD. Right, and from behind, let's see. Oh, this way. 520R 2321. And here it is the voltage regulator, the diode, some capacitors, one transistor. That transistor is for switching on and off the relay. And by the way, this microscope is doing a great job. Okay, time for testing, but before that, let me share my Ko-fi page where you can support my work and my channel, and my latest monthly supporters are JJG, Matt S, and my latest supporter is, what he says, King Greene. He wrote, "I enjoy your content, keep it up going." And I respond, "Hello sir, and just to say a big thanks for the support. Thank you sir for supporting my channel for every month. That means a lot and I appreciate it very much. Thank you. The link will be in description below if you want to support my channel. Thank you." Okay, my power supply is set on 5 volts, and as I said, for powering this module, the black and the red wire are for power supply. So let's hook it up, and we're gonna find out how much current is pulling this module. Okay, why it's not? Okay, 6 milliamperes. Whoa, that is not too much. And when I press it, can you see that? And when the relay is on, it's pulling around 30 milliamperes. I connect a multimeter and it's set on continuous beeping signal, and take a look. It's working. The relay is acting like a switch, and in description I found that on the module right here next to the chip we have 2 learning points that need to be short, so you can program the module to work in first mode or in the second mode. Also we have a wiring diagrams to act like a switch or like a relay. You can hook up a small load using ground. I hook up a small LED light and take a look. When I press the button once, it turns it on and off, and while holding it remains to be turned on, releasing off. And now the red and the yellow wire are connected together, so I'm giving plus 5 volts to the LED using this circuit diagram. These pins that are next to the integrated circuit is for programming the module to work like a momentary switch or to be turned on the whole time, but I can't do it. I can program the module to work with one press to be turned on the relay the whole time. Right now it's mode number 1. When you press the button, it's working, releasing, it's turned off. But I want once I press the button to stay on. If you know something about this module, please comment below. Anyway, it's working fine. It's a tiny module, as I said. Work from 3.7 volts to 24. I have tested with 12 volts. I don't want to burn if I hook up 24 volts. Maybe if you want to hook up 24 volts, it's better to use a voltage regulator like LM7812. So you can step down the voltage to 12 volts from 24 volts. And remember that the relay can handle maximum of 1 ampere. Okay, that was all for today's video. Please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. See ya!